So guys, I have been asked a few times now, as I post on social quite a lot, we build an incredible team of 15 in GrowYourBnb.com. It's one part of my business where we have put so much focus in the last year, and knowing that, you know what, a lot of time you speak to individual business owners and my friends who run businesses, alliances who run businesses, and they always ask me what it's like running an organization and scaling the business that we are today. So hopefully in this video you get to understand about myself, what I do, and secondly my team, my clients, and hopefully walk away with some kind of inspiration and to allow you to hopefully focus one day that this is easily achievable, and it's going back into understanding what does the business require at that time and moment. So firstly, if you're new to this channel, my name is Piers. I run a company called GrowYourBnb.com, which is my branding / marketing company for short-term rental business. I've got Propearthy, which is my investment company, and I've got Better Than Hotel, which is like an online platform for service accommodation / short-term rental in the UK. Now, first thing I want to talk about today is, I guess I do get asked quite a lot nowadays, how is it? Because look, I talk about clients all the time, but to back those client work, I can't do everything myself. And we've today built an incredible team of 15 people with different part of the organization doing different things, for operational, and which is what I'm gonna stress today a little bit about. Secondly, talk about a bit of my sales team, and also talk about my marketing and branding team within the business as well. So look, firstly, let's go through straight into what is it like running 15 people company. Now, as much as I say it's scary, it is fun, right? Because 8 years ago when I first started my business, I was always aspiring myself to grow a company to this level we are today, and more importantly, just think about clients' work. And one of the things you'll see me talking about in social is I am not interested in being known for who I am. I want to be known for the work we put in the industry and the industry level and standards we set. That's always been my message across the board. And you know what, I'm so grateful that every time I speak or been referred to like new clients, most of our clients are being now referred between short-term rental owners, they always go, Piers, why have I not seen about yourself before? And that is the best feeling, to know that people haven't heard about you, but then they want to come and work with yourself and my company, and all thanks to my existing clients, because they're the one talking about me to other people. And today, let's talk about, firstly, I want to talk about scaling business to 15 people for clients. One thing I learned in 2021 was creating systems. Absolutely creating systems, because when you're scaling to the business level that we are today, one of the biggest thing I found was, if I don't create system that's going to work for us, we'll be working for the system again and again. So the first thing we put in place is client communication. Now, one thing you will hear from, if you go and check out our Google review, everyone will talk about the experience working with us. Now, the experience working with us wasn't just the way we did the work to get the results. It was going back into how much communication we put in place for our clients, so that they know that we are extremely looking after their properties like ours and building their brands like mine, right? And that is one of the biggest things I've taken from my team. We've created a solid system around client communication, be Max, who looks after all our client accounts, be Sid, be anyone in the company really, whoever deals with our client know how important client communication is. That's my first one. Secondly, daily performance management. Now, one of the things a lot of investors and short-term rental owners forget to do is actually look at their performance on a daily basis, because you're so much in the business, you forget to look at what's around you and know the numbers on a daily basis. So one of my team member, or actually we're now looking to create a department behind it, is to focus on daily client performance. So for example, if a client is with us for 5 weeks, they get pretty much looked after for the 5 weeks with daily performance management, which means me and my team are fully looking at their performance every single day while we're building a brand. And that is going back into, again, creating system. I'm so excited that we've been able to create some incredible things in our business, which allows to work on an automation basis now that allows my clients to have the best experience. Now, the second part of the organization we built today, and I'm truly humbled and excited to share this, is actually my team, right? Running a team of 15 people is all about, believe it or not, creating culture. It is all about creating company culture, where I still remember when we were a team of 3, and I was heavily involved in everything in the business. I used to speak to my team member every day. Now we're a team of 15. We are now, I am physically now having very little or no time to speak to all my team members, but again, creating a culture was probably the best thing I did from start, that everyone understood what was important in the business, rather than jumping on a management meeting or company meeting all the time on a daily basis for communication. But actually, by creating a culture, we will all focus on one goal, which is our client results, right? So the biggest thing I've learned in creating this company of 15 is creating culture from day one, which has allowed me to just grow, but be able to create system. The second thing for me with team is all about their growth. I invest heavily in my team members. We are now looking at, Udemy course. Like, it will probably be the most simple thing in the business, but I'm taking time away for our team to learn new things in the business, which is going to, again, going back into what's going to help us in our client delivery. So really excited for that. And lastly, our team just focuses on task delivery. As much as we've got a great communication within our team system, we've also learned that task delivery is what's going to allow us to achieve that end results for our clients. So yeah, it is going back. For me, there's 2 things here. One, for clients, we just wanted to create a strong system in place, which is going to allow them get great results. And secondly, for my team, we just create a great company culture where we have fun. We create exactly what we want to do when we come in and work. We are thinking about our clients at the end of the day. Well, this is something I'm so passionate about in the last 8 years. If you follow my journey, I've constantly shared about where I've come from. Nepal 14 years ago, a few years I've worked, never went to university. Today building a great 3 companies, which is around property and short-term renter business. And for people who's aspiring to become an entrepreneur or business people, I hope this kind of gives you an indication of what it takes. In the last few years, I've been grinding myself, going through everything I can to learn the business, to learn what it takes to be alone at times, to grow your business really. And eventually today I've got a family like colleagues, my team members who are today actually focusing on our clients' work, and I'm able to just grow the business as what I'd like to do. And especially next year, I'm fully excited to announce that we are now going to go into Australia/US market fully. We have started dominating the UK market, as well as we've now started working with Dubai and Spain clients. So yeah, fully excited to announce that we are going to be in US as well as Australian market. Well guys, thank you so much for watching another Grow Your BNB video. I hope it kind of gives you an indication of who we are, what we do, what we prioritize and pride on. And at the end of the day, look, if you want to connect more about my daily life and what I do on a daily basis as an entrepreneur, please follow me on Instagram. I'll make sure I put the little tag on it here. And yeah, if you've got any question, do send me a direct message, or please comment down below what you'd like to know. But for now, guys, thank you so much for watching another Grow Your BNB video.